Welcome to Real Deep Understanding. In today's video, we'll be breaking down laws 15 through 18 from the 48 Laws of Power, where we'll explore the importance of crushing your enemies, using absence strategically, cultivating unpredictability, and avoiding isolation. From the Roman Empire's total destruction of Carthage to Vlad the Impaler's terrifying unpredictability, these strategies reveal the dark side of maintaining and exercising power. Before we jump into these powerful lessons, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our deep dives into mastering power and influence. Law 15. Crush your enemy totally. This law underscores the importance of completely eliminating threats or adversaries. When dealing with enemies, half measures can leave you vulnerable and allow them to regroup and retaliate. To ensure your security and maintain power, it is essential to eradicate any potential for future challenges. When confronting an enemy, do not settle for partial victory. Ensure that they are completely incapacitated or removed from the equation, leaving no room for resurgence. When defeating an enemy, avoid creating lingering feelings of resentment. If they harbor a grudge, they may seek revenge or attempt to undermine you later. This does not necessarily mean physical destruction. It can also involve social, professional, or psychological defeat. Aim for total dominance in the situation to prevent any chance of recovery. In addition to neutralizing the enemy, dismantle their network of support. This prevents them from rallying allies or resources that could empower a comeback. Throughout history, leaders who have faced enemies have often sought to completely crush them. For example, after defeating a rival nation, powerful conquerors would obliterate their ability to rise again, either through military might or by dismantling their political structure. In business, companies that face aggressive competition often take steps to eliminate their rivals completely, whether through aggressive marketing strategies, acquisitions, or legal maneuvers, ensuring their dominance in the market. Evaluate the threat level of your adversary. Determine how much influence or power they wield and identify the necessary steps to neutralize them completely. Develop a detailed plan to address the threat. This plan should account for various scenarios and potential responses from your enemy. When you decide to confront an enemy, act swiftly and decisively. Procrastination or hesitation can provide them with an opportunity to counter your efforts. After taking action, keep a watchful eye on the situation. Ensure that the enemy does not regroup or retaliate, to be prepared to take further action if needed. After successfully neutralizing an enemy, bolster your own position. Enhance your defenses and alliances to prevent future challenges from arising. Law 15 emphasizes the necessity of completely eliminating enemies to secure your position and prevent future threats. By ensuring total defeat, you safeguard against retaliation and consolidate your power. So this law highlights the importance of decisiveness and thoroughness in dealing with adversaries, underscoring that half measures can leave you vulnerable in the pursuit of power and influence. Law 16. Use absence to increase respect and honor. This law focuses on the strategic use of absence to enhance your value and desirability. By creating a sense of scarcity, you can increase the respect and admiration others have for you. Absence can lead to a greater appreciation of your contributions and presence, ultimately enhancing your influence and power. When you remove yourself from a situation, you create a void that highlights your importance. People tend to value what they perceive as rare or hard to obtain. Constant presence can lead to familiarity, which may diminish your perceived value. By stepping back periodically, you can maintain an aura of exclusivity and mystery. Absence can evoke feelings of longing and appreciation in others. When you're not around, people may reflect on your contributions and the positive impact you have had, enhancing their respect for you. Now, when you choose to return after a period of absence, do so in a manner that reinforces your value. So this can reignite interest and admiration, allowing you to regain attention and respect. While absence can enhance your value, it's essential to strike a balance. Too much absence can lead to being forgotten, while too much presence can lead to being taken for granted. Celebrities often use absence strategically. When they step away from the limelight for a period, their return can create a surge of interest and excitement, as fans appreciate their presence more deeply. Companies sometimes create limited-time offers or exclusive products to generate demand. By making their offerings scarce, they increase the perceived value and desirability of their brand. Determine situations or relationships where your presence is taken for granted. Plan your absence strategically to create a sense of longing or appreciation. When stepping away, consider how to communicate your absence effectively. A brief message or acknowledgement can signal your continued relevance while allowing for distance. When you re-enter a situation, do so with a renewed sense of purpose and impact. Use your return as an opportunity to re-establish your importance and value. Be mindful of how your absence affects others. While you want to create respect and honor, you don't want to leave others feeling abandoned or confused. Upon your return, gauge the reactions of those around you. Use their feedback to inform your future strategies regarding presence and absence. Law 16 teaches the strategic use of absence to enhance respect and honor. By creating scarcity and evoking appreciation, you can elevate your perceived value and influence. This law underscores the delicate balance between presence and absence, emphasizing that thoughtful withdrawal can strengthen relationships and increase your significance in the eyes of others. In the pursuit of power and respect, leveraging absence effectively can be a powerful strategy. Law 17. Keep others in suspended terror, cultivate an air of unpredictability. This law highlights the strategic advantage of being unpredictable. By cultivating an air of unpredictability, you can create an environment of uncertainty that keeps others on edge and less likely to challenge or confront you. This unpredictability can be a powerful tool in maintaining control and influence over others. When people cannot predict your actions or responses, they become cautious and hesitant. So this uncertainty can prevent others from plotting against you or taking bold actions that could undermine your position. Periodically change your behavior strategies or tactics. By surprising others, you disrupt their expectations and keep them off balance, making it difficult for them to anticipate your next move. Embrace contradictions in your behavior or statements. By being inconsistent, you create confusion and foster an environment where people are unsure of how to interact with you. Vary your communication style, messages, and responses. This unpredictability can make it challenging for others to gauge your true intentions or feelings. By instilling a sense of fear or caution in others, you enhance your power. People are less likely to challenge or provoke you when they are uncertain about how you might react. Many successful leaders and politicians use unpredictability to maintain control. By shifting their positions or making unexpected announcements, they keep their opponents and supporters uncertain about their intentions. In business, companies that innovate frequently or change their product offerings can keep competitors guessing and unsure about how to respond. Assess the dynamics of your relationships and identify where unpredictability can be advantageous. Consider how you can introduce elements of surprise in these interactions. Eye conversations deliberately change your usual responses or opinions. This can make others think twice about how they engage with you, fostering caution. Now, when making decisions or taking actions, consider delaying your response. This can create suspense and uncertainty, prompting others to speculate about your motives. Share information selectively and maintain a degree of privacy about your thoughts and intentions. This mystery enhances your unpredictability and keeps others intrigued. While unpredictability can be a powerful tool, be aware that it can also provoke anxiety or resentment in others. So be prepared to manage relationships carefully to prevent backlash or isolation. Law 17 emphasizes the power of unpredictability in maintaining control and influence. By creating an atmosphere of uncertainty, you keep others on their toes and deter them from challenging you. This law highlights the strategic advantage of cultivating an unpredictable persona, illustrating how surprise and ambiguity can enhance your position in social and professional dynamics. In the pursuit of power, mastering unpredictability can be a formidable asset. Law 18. Do not build fortresses to protect yourself. Isolation is dangerous. So this law emphasizes the dangers of isolation and the importance of remaining connected to the world around you. And while it may seem tempting to withdraw into a fortress for safety, this self-imposed isolation can lead to vulnerability and a lack of support. Engaging with others is essential for maintaining power, influence, and security. Building emotional or physical walls to protect yourself can make you vulnerable. Isolation deprives you of valuable insights, support, and opportunities that arise from interacting with others. Maintain relationships with a diverse network of people. These connections can provide protection, resources, and information that are crucial for navigating challenges. Engage with others collaboratively rather than viewing them as potential threats. Collaboration can enhance your influence and amplify your effectiveness. To being part of a community or network allows you to stay informed about what is happening around you. Your knowledge of others' intentions and actions can help you respond effectively to threats. Building relationships based on mutual respect and loyalty can create a support system that protects you from adversities. Strong bonds with others can act as a buffer against challenges. Many powerful leaders throughout history who attempted to isolate themselves eventually faced downfall. Their inability to connect with allies or gauge public sentiment led to vulnerabilities that adversaries exploited. Companies that isolate themselves from market trends or customer feedback may become irrelevant. Maintaining open lines of communication with customers and stakeholders is vital for adaptability and success. To make it a point to reach out to friends, colleagues, and acquaintances regularly, attend social events, engage in discussions, and maintain a presence in various circles. When interacting with others, practice active listening. Be open to their perspectives and insights, as these can provide valuable information that helps you navigate challenges. Openly share your thoughts and experiences with others. This not only builds rapport, but also allows you to gather feedback and support from your network. Cultivate relationships that can serve as alliances in times of need. Identify individuals who can offer support or resources when challenges arise. and why solitude can be beneficial for reflection, ensure it does not lead to prolonged isolation. Balance moments of introspection with active engagement in social interactions. Law 18 teaches the importance of avoiding isolation and maintaining connections with others. While the allure of building a protective fortress may seem appealing, it ultimately leads to vulnerability and disconnection. By engaging with a diverse network and fostering loyalty, you create a support system that enhances your power and resilience. This law underscores that collaboration, communication, and community are essential for navigating the complexities of social and professional life, emphasizing the value of interconnectedness in the pursuit of power and influence. And that wraps up our exploration of laws 15 to 18 of the 48 laws of power. Whether it's ensuring your enemies can never recover, increasing your value through absence, or staying connected to avoid isolation, these strategies teach us how to navigate the complex dynamics of power. We'll put you in a position of influence and control. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Real Deep Understanding. We'll continue to unravel the powerful tactics that can help you rise above the rest. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.